Welcome to the Singapore Pavilion located within the Sustainability District at the World Expo 2020 Dubai, UAE. The Singapore Pavilion is a living pavilion centered on the theme of nature nurture future layered with the showcase of greenery, digital solutions and art. The pavilion exemplifies Singapore's vision of becoming a city in nature and ethos of sustainable development. Through innovative and impactful urban solutions, visitors will be greeted by a garden landscape with a phytoremediation pond nestled among the luxury of palm trees and shrubs. Designed around a small space, the pavilion is anchored by three thematic cones: the city cone, rainforest cone, and flower cone, all draped in vertical multi-layered greenery. Each cone houses exhibits that showcase Singapore's transformational journey and efforts in creating a sustainable future for the people. This living pavilion features more than 170 varieties of plants. Many of them are of ethnobotanical value and come from diverse unique habitats from the natural heritage of Singapore, including the tropical rainforest, freshwater forest streams and mangrove habitats. Visitors are enveloped in an inviting three-dimensional green space that creates a microclimate providing a cool respite. The story follows the rise of cities and challenges faced by the natural world before taking us to present-day Singapore, a city in nature. Nature is one of our main themes at the Singapore Pavilion. Singapore's tropical urban landscape reflects how ecology and nature are integrated within the city. There are also therapeutic benefits of being closer to nature, which in turn inspires communities to become stewards of nature. These diagrams present the pavilion's innovative design features and sustainability strategies. The pavilion has distinct layers including the ground garden, canopy walk, and three different cones supporting the sky market. At the very top we have a solar canopy made up of 517 solar panels which generate enough electrical power for all the pavilion's needs. The pavilion is designed with an integrated system of energy, water and greenery, which achieves net zero energy during the 6-month event period, hence creating a sustainable and self-sufficient ecosystem. The large roof canopy shelter, the lush vegetation, and the strategically placed dry mist fans create a comfortable visitor experience journey. Despite the challenges of the desert environment, 51 fans produce fine mist combined with evapotranspiration, cooling lower the perceived temperature by 6 to 10 degrees Celsius. The centerpiece of the rainforest cone is a kinetic installation inspired by the Dipterocarp tree, a giant of the Southeast Asian rainforest. These Dipterocarp sculptures pay tribute to these trees which make up around 80% of the rainforest canopy. The flower code pays homage to creativity, experimentation, and technology in nurturing nature. Singapore's pioneering work on orchid hybridization and conservation has produced some iconic cultivars and saved many species from the brink of extinction. Propagation instruments and native orchid varieties are displayed through 4 terrains set against a wall of orchids. Vertical greenery is an increasingly common sight in our built environment, a result of the nation's urban greening policies. 3 climbing robots on the curved vertical green walls are equipped with cameras and sensors. They are trained through machine learning to monitor plants' health and collect environmental data that optimizes the pavilion systems, such as the calibration of irrigation and grow light settings. These prototypes present a novel solution particularly right I live in Singapore. The Sky Market is located at the top of the Singapore Pavilion, where most of the programs and activities take place. Singapore is a small island with big ideas. The pavilion presents some of Singapore's urban solutions and ongoing efforts in reducing carbon footprint and working towards a green future. Recycling and upcycling are key to Singapore's waste reduction strategies. When Singapore's National Stadium was reconstructed in 2011, wooden bleachers were salvaged and given a new lease of life through design commissions and competitions. Food and eating are a big part of Singaporean culture. Food is a reflection of Singapore's multicultural community made up of people from rich and varied heritage. We are excited to share our favorite foods with the visitors. Singapore's social and cultural histories come alive at the arena through various programs such as talks, workshops, and movie screenings. The pavilion demonstrates the potential to push the envelope to integrate nature, architecture, and technology through various design strategies and digital elements. At the Digital Terrarium, visitors are invited to play an interactive mobile game. Using data collected by a suite of smart sensors on the robots and around the pavilion. The pavilion's data comes alive through the game and the generative artwork. Hence, reminding visitors that their individual actions have an impact on the collective outcome on the environment. Nurturing a sustainable future relies on the choices that we make today. These urban challenges that Singapore is trying to overcome are not unique. As a partner to the world and in the spirit of Expo 2020's theme of connecting minds creating the future. It is the Singapore Pavilion's privilege to provide a platform for like-minded participants to engage in conversations, exchanges and collaborations to build cities of the future that balance the needs of their people and environments. The journey through the Singapore Pavilion sheds light on some of Singapore's efforts in embracing nature, creating nurturing environments, all towards a sustainable future.
Take in inspirational art, sample exotic cuisines, and witness more than 190 countries and cultures come together in one place. Join the making of a new world. Expo 2020 Dubai.